The world is designed to steal your attention, and if you're honest with yourself, it's doing an amazing job. You wake up, check your phone, and boom! 20 notifications, 3 missed calls, and an algorithm hand-feeding you the most addictive content ever created. Before you even brush your teeth, your brain is already fried. And then you wonder, why can't I get anything done? If you can't focus, you can't achieve anything. Whether it's building a new business, learning a new skill, or finishing a task without scrolling TikTok midway. So, what can you do? Simple, avoid these 5 mistakes. Multitasking is a lie. Multitasking makes you feel productive. So does spinning in circles. Sure, it looks impressive. Juggling emails, Slack messages, and 5 browser tabs open while pretending to listen on Zoom. But actually, you're 40% less efficient and more stressful. Stanford University researchers compared heavy multitaskers with people who focus on one thing at a time. The result? The multitaskers lost. Badly. They performed worse on attention, memory, and ironically enough, even task switching itself. Action steps. Block distractions. Use apps like Freedom or Cold Turkey to block out social media and notifications. Try the one tab rule. Keep just one tab open while working. Your phone is either a tool or a trap. Your phone isn't your needy ex. It doesn't need your constant attention. A study from University of Texas found that participants who had their phones in another room performed significantly better than those who had their phones on the desk completely silent and face down. Action steps. Only allow calls from people who actually matter. If it's urgent, they will call twice. If not, it can wait. Put your phone in another room. You're not a dog who needs to be leashed to a device. Turn on grayscale mode. Turn your phone into a lifeless brick. What moves the needle? Focus isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of the stuff that doesn't move the needle. Warren Buffett once told Mike Flint, his pilot, to write down his 25 goals. Then he made him circle just 5 and forget the rest. Not fit them in later, not do it when you have time. Forget them. It's just noise. Action steps. Only one thing rule. Every morning ask, if I completed only one task today, what would have the biggest impact? Then do it first. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Urgent and important, do it immediately. Important but not urgent, schedule it. Urgent but not important, automate or delegate. Neither, remove it. Make focus your default setting. You think you need more self-discipline? Maybe. But if your workspace looks like a crime scene, don't be surprised when your productivity dies. Princeton researchers found the more objects in the visual field, the harder the brain has to work to filter them out, causing it to tire over time and reducing its ability to function. Action steps. Turn your workspace into a focus zone. No clutter, no distractions, just the essentials. Use visual cues. Keep a notebook open to have your top task visible at all times. Set focus hours. Tell the world, these are my deep work hours. Do not disturb. Work less to focus more. Ever notice your best ideas come in the shower or on a walk? That's because your brain needs time to think and reset. Research on ultradian shows that humans can maintain peak focus for about 90 minutes before needing a break. DeskTime analyzed the top 10% most productive employees who weren't the ones grinding for hours, but who followed a simple rule: 52 minutes of deep work, then a 17-minute break. Action steps. Try the 52-17 rule. Work with laser focus for 52 minutes, then take a guilt-free 17-minute break. Move your body, walk, stretch, do push-ups. Just don't sit there doom scrolling. Your attention is your most valuable asset. Every time you give it away, you're making a choice that compounds every single day. If you do not control your focus, someone else will. But you can choose differently. Learn to silence the distractions. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. You can be the person who actually finishes what they start, the person who actually gets things done. So, are you getting your focus back, or are you letting it slip away? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe, share this with a friend who needs to hear it. And if you want to make your brain crave hard work, then click on this video here. Now, go make it happen.